A landmark case involving UNESCO is the 2015 ruling by the African Court concerning the investigation of the death of Norbert Zongo, a Burkinabe journalist. UNESCO, with its mandate to promote freedom of expression, also collaborates with organizations like Columbia Global Freedom of Expression to analyze jurisprudence related to freedom of expression. Furthermore, UNESCO has been involved in landmark decisions related to internet shutdowns and the use of AI in the judiciary. Elaboration. 1. Norbert Zongo case. The African Court's decision to reopen the investigation into the death of Norbert Zongo, a journalist who was investigating a politically sensitive case, is a significant example of UNESCO's work in ensuring accountability for crimes against journalists. UNESCO's role in this case highlights its commitment to press freedom and the safety of journalists. 2. Internet shutdowns. In a case involving an internet shutdown in West Bengal, India, a landmark ruling by the Calcutta High Court, supported by a UNESCO Global Media Defense Fund partner, Internet Freedom Foundation, highlighted the importance of internet access for freedom of speech and access to information. The court found the shutdown to be illegal and lacking in legal authority. 3. AI in the judiciary. The Colombian Constitutional Court's ruling on the use of AI in the judicial system, which cited UNESCO's AI tools, demonstrates UNESCO's involvement in the evolving landscape of technology and its impact on human rights. UNESCO is actively involved in promoting the ethical use of AI and ensuring it aligns with human rights principles. And 4. UNESCO's broader work. UNESCO's initiatives extend to various areas, including heritage preservation, education, and scientific cooperation. For instance, UNESCO played a crucial role in the reconstruction of the old bridge in Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina, after its destruction during the conflict in the former Yugoslavia. This project is seen as a symbol of peacebuilding and social cohesion. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.